Looking for a way to withdraw your hamster kombat on your Bybit account? Watch this video to the end because I've put together a tutorial for you. So open your Bybit account, right? Once you open your Bybit account, I want you to go to the button, click on the assets, then you are going to see your balance, right? Once you get to your balance, I want you to click on transfer so you can convert your hamster token from the unified account to the funding account, so you'll be able to withdraw. So that's the first thing we are going to do, right? So watch this video, pay attention. So I just click on that. You can see funding account, unified trading account. So if your own is not select as hamster on that coin stuff there, click on it and select hamster kombat. Alright, so if you look at the top between funding account and unified account, there is a button there that rotates. Then click on it to switch, so you'll be able to click on the max, like the maximum. If you want to transfer all, then you click on the max, so you'll be able to transfer all you need. You can see once you click on it, a confirmation button is going to come here. Then you click on it to confirm, then your transfer is going to be successful. Since I have done that already, I'm not going to click on that. Then after that, I want you to go here to withdraw. Yeah, you're a bit back, then you come back to withdraw. You see the withdraw button there. That's exactly what we are going to do now. Click on the withdraw, then let's wait for it to load. This is hamster. You can see it's saying funding, so click on hamster, then it's going to take you down here. Right now you are going to look for the wallet you want to transfer your hamster to, right? If you can see, we have internal wallet at the top and we have the on chain here. So right now I'm on chain, so you see where they write the address. You see it's a tone network. Then the place they write the address, just go copy the address the person wants to receive it, paste it there, select the network, then the tag or the memo, then you copy the number and paste it here. It's just like when you were linking your wallet to your hamster kombat account. So this is a very easy process to do that, right? So you can do that for internal or on chain. So even though you want to do it, you can see if you have a Bybit account, you want to send it from Bybit to Bybit, it's a very easy way. You enter your wallet and that is it. Then you click on withdraw, the person is going to receive it instantly. There is no delay about that. It's a very easy process to do, right? Make sure you subscribe, like this video, please like this video, so that anytime I drop amazing video like this one you are watching, you won't miss, right? So once you paste you see enter your email, you can do that through your email or you do that through your wallet. So we are done for that. So now if you want to trade it, if you want to trade your hamster kombat, now we are going to do that. So you go back, right? Once you get back, you look at your hamster, you click on it. Once you click on your hamster kombat, it's going to take you to this place. You can see one click buy, P2P trading, then sell. So we are going to click on P2P trading. So the P2P trading now is going to help us to see people ads that is ready to sell or ready to buy from you. You get, so that is what they are saying, new listing hamster / USTD. All right, so here are people who, if you want to buy, there is a lot of people who leaks out their hamster for sale, right? So once you click on the price that favors you, then you can pay them. There are some people that are not eligible. You can see this one, the right buy is eligible, right? You can buy the coin if you want to, but if you don't want to buy and you want to sell, look at the top of your screen there. You can see where it's a buy and you see sell. So if you're here for sell, you click on that, right? You see, once you click on sell, there are people who list their prices that want to sell as well. So a lot of people are ineligible, but there are some you can see they are eligible. So you click on sell, then you're going to message the person. They are going to say how much you want to sell, like how much token, how many token do you have, then you can decide to sell, right? So it's a very easy process, but before you proceed and give the person the token, make sure you confirm that you've received your payment. All right, so that's for that. The next one I'm going to show you is how you can withdraw your hamster from your Telegram wallet. So let's go. So open your Telegram account, right? This is my Telegram account. Go under your setting. Okay, let's go to our hamster first. So let's go to our hamster. So I will so you will know how many hamster token you have. So go under your earnings. Sorry, let me just clear this up. Right, let me just clear this up. Cool. Go back again and boom. All right, so okay, this is how many hamster I have here. Make sure you already connect Telegram wallet as the one that you were using. So let's go to our Telegram setting. Since you have that, you're going to see wallet, then click on the wallet. It's going to take you down here. This is my balance, right? This is my balance. This is how much I have in my Telegram account. So if you want to withdraw, you can see P2P market. If you want to send, you can see. If you want to add a crypto or exchange or swap, you can do all that here. So now you're going to click on your wallet on the P2P. You can see P2P market. Once you click on P2P, you're going to select the crypto you want to choose. You can see trade not yet available for hamster. So it's going to be available on the 30 by 7 a.m. right? So for now, P2P is not available on for hamster combat on the Telegram channel, right? So let's go back. This time we are going to click on send so we can be able to send it. So click on hamster, then you're going to click on send from here, right? Click on send. You see, if you want to receive, you click on that. Then they are going to ask you, do you want to send it to a standard wallet, maybe out of here? So if you're going to do that, let's make use of Bybit to send it. So I'll go to my Bybit account right now, search for Bybit and click on it. Then I will go to deposit. I'll go to deposit, click on deposit, then I'm going to select hamster. You can search for that, then tone. Yeah, the network is going to be tone. Then make sure you copy. Alright, in a situation sometimes you can save the image, or if you open the wallet on your other phone you can decide to scan it, but for here let's copy and see and save the image. Let's try something. Alright, so I saved the image. I will go back and see if I will be able to upload the image to scan everything at once, but no, I have the wallet copy, so I will just paste the wallet here, then click on it. Then I'm going to enter the amount, so I'll just click on use max. You can see, so I have the use max now. The next thing I'm going to do after here, click on withdraw, and boom, the money is going to appear on your Bybit. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please share this video so everyone can be able to withdraw their hamster combat. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.